Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to cover Lollipop plotting with GGPlot. As you're probably guessing, in order to create Lollipop plotting, you need a geom point and segments. And this kind of plotting is really handy if you have to present some kind of value changes over categories. And for that purpose, I'm going to create one data frame, call it data as always, like this. And on y-axis I want to create 12 values like this, nothing fancy. And on y-axis I want to create a bunch of random values with our norm function. I need 12 of them. Let's say mean is going to be 1000 and standard deviation is going to be 350. Save it. Okay, now I'm going to print all of this to the screen. Let's see what we have. You see, but now what I want all of these values to be in form of integers. For that purpose, I'm going to change values on y into values of y, but as integers. And let's print it out now, save it, run it. Let's see what we have. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, first thing that you have to do is to provide data to your GGPlot function. Now let's create our dots. And I want statics x on x, then y on y. Let's say color will be vector of x and size is gonna be y. Save it, run it. But first thing that I want is to remove this legend with theme. Legend position none. Run it again. And now let's create segments. With statics of x to x, y on 0, x and is going to be x again, and y and it's going to be on y. Now get out from aesthetics and line width is going to be 0,5. Line type is going to be, let's say, 3, and color is going to be red. Run it. Okay, I probably have some typo in here. Ah, yes. Okay, now I just want to make this segment line a little bit shorter. So on x and let's say -20, run it again. So this is basically how Lollipop plot should look like. But what I like to do in these cases is to add some labels to it. So I'm going to create geom label with aesthetics of x equals x, let's say plus 0,2. This is going to be fine. Then y is going to be on y plus 30. Label is gonna be y, and let's change some color. Let's say color of text white and fill color black. Okay, don't forget plus. Save it, run it. Okay, I'm going to move this level a little bit up. Let's say 70. And a little bit more towards right with 0,3. Run it again. Okay, this is totally what I wanted. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!